Hello guys, and again welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show to you on how to change your Xampp web server port number from port 80 to the desired value that you want. Okay, so but first of all, make sure that there is a running Xampp web server on your local computer, or else you need to install one. Okay, so in my case I have already installed mine, so let's start. So first of all, we have to navigate first to our Xampp web server. So in my case, I have here the application, and then here the Xampp directory, and under that Xampp directory you need to look for Xampp files and click this manager OSX. Okay, double click, and then if you are prompt to place a password, and then just provide a password. Okay, this is for security purposes. Okay, so we're here now in this window. So we have, this is the welcome page portal. So next is we need to manage our servers. Okay, we need to configure our servers. We need to configure our server port number. So we have to navigate here, manage servers, and then as you can see, there is a MySQL database, Pro FTPD, and Apache web server. So in this tutorial, we're going to configure this one, Apache web server. So to configure that one, just click configure button, and then open config file. Okay, and then yes, actually you do have two choices to make. Okay, in editing this one, either you can directly input the port number here, or you can open the config file. Okay, so in our case we will going to use the config file. We will not go here. Okay, so you have to look for the listen. Okay, so we have here our web server is listening to port 80, so we were going to change it into 888 and save and close. And okay, so we have already saved our config file. So the next thing is we need to restart our server. Okay, so restart all, and let's wait for a moment. Okay, so it's restarting. And make sure before you're going to configure your file or your config file, be sure that you have um, set a backup for it, or else you won't have a um, backup when you need some, or when you encounter some errors while configuring that file. Okay, it's already running, so let's go here in welcome, and let's access the web server using that port 888 rather. So as you can see, if you are going to access it with the default port 80, nothing's happened. Okay, Safari can connect to the server, or we will try to use this one. Okay, the site can't bridge, but if you are going to use the port 888, and then here it goes, some Apache web server is running. Okay, so to verify that one, to make sure that it is already 8888, and then we need to manage our servers, configure, and there it goes, it's already 888. Okay, so the value, okay, you can input your own value here, but for this demo purposes I've only choose to input 888 just to attempt to demonstrate. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial, and thank you for watching and enjoy learning. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you and goodbye.